Hi everyone, for the third part of our project, we want to enter in the core of the business. We would like to show you the financial and economic sides of our business. Since we are 5 partners, each of us will invest an equal amount of money to raise the business. We can define the legal form of our business as a general partnership, which is the usual type where each partner is fully active in the firm with a voice in its management. Each is an agent of the other partners with full authority to act for the firm within the scope of its business activity. Each is fully liable for the debts of the business and its shares in the profit. We think that this could be the better legal form for these advantages. For its simplicity, the characteristic of partner taxes, it is easy to direct and it's easier to gain financial capital.
Talking about business assets, every business needs assets in order to operate. Business assets are itemized and valued in the business sheet in our presentation. Namely, the assets that we need to start our business are private spots, which we offer for the premium version of our app. That means people will be able to book the parking spaces they want. Secondly, the corporate office, which we will rent. High-tech technological devices in order to detect free parking spaces, and labor, which is represented by workers who will install these technological devices such as cameras and sensors. Also, labor employees that will help us to satisfy our customers' needs, and engineers who will create an easy-to-use application about parking. And to sum up, financial assets given by banks loan and the financial means for advertising.
Considering the aspect of the total income for the entire lifetime of the firm, we have decided to calculate it using the 3 methods. In the first formula, we have calculated a total income of an amount of 742,000 euros during the subtraction between the capital of the firm at time Z, given by an hypothesis in which only the 0.5% of the population of Rome owns a car by the premium version, and the capital at time 0. For the second formula, we subtracted the cost of acquisition of factors of production from the revenues from selling products in a period of time of 5 years. To conclude, for the last formula, we simply subtracted the cash out from the cash in. We use this Excel file to solve these formulas, and here we can find all the earnings and all the costs, which are the red ones. Here we have all the numbers which represent the amount of money that we use to define the total income. Only to understand the risk, the premium version of the app will cost 20 euros per month, and we will give an annual premium pack for 200 euros per year. We will acquire 440 parking spots around Rome to guarantee the efficiency of the service.
We decided to divide the changes analysis in 2 moments, the start of the business and the end. We invested 1,200,000 euros in equity, so we had a positive financial change measured by a positive economic change. Then we received a loan from a bank of 200,000 euros, so we recorded a cash-in compensated by a negative financial change. We acquired all of the factors of production for 1,445,000 euros, so we registered a cash out, a negative financial change measured by a negative economic change. Talking about the changes analysis at the end of the 5th year, selling our products, we recorded a cash-in of 10,800,000 euros, measured by a positive economic change, which are the revenues. Paying for the parking rental, we had a cash out of 1,848,000 euros, measured by cost. The remuneration of the police created a negative financial change of 6,600,000 euros, measured by labor expenses, a negative economic change. Concerning to the payment of the rent for our corporate office, we registered a cash out of 120,000 euros, measured by a negative economic change. As a conclusion, we reimbursed the borrowed money from banks in one single solution. We recorded a cash out of 345,000 euros, which is compensated by the extinction of the financial debt, and measured by a negative economic change, which is composed by the expenses for the matured interest payable.
In our business, we also pay a lot of attention to the achievement of the non-financial indicators, which regard the firm, environment, and the whole society. For the latter, we want to contribute to the fight against climate change by trying to minimize the air pollution caused by vehicles looking for a parking space. We also want to satisfy all stakeholders' needs and wants, so not only the financial one, creating a better environment where employees can work together according to the common good theory within the firm and develop good relationship with third parties and with shareholders. We have calculated the income statement on the first 2 years and the capital structure at the end of the first and the second year. In the first, we calculated an amount of 292,000 euros. In the second year, we calculated 929,000 euros. And at the end of the 5 years, we calculated an amount 2,242,000 euros.